Hi folks, Joseph Emanuele, Managing Broker, Tres Amigos Realty Group, Playa Hermosa, Guanacaste. And this is...
I'm Julia Skavinska, and I've been working with Joe for the past 4 years.
So the reason for the short video today is we are redoing our website, and our normal flyer that we send out to you guys has different blogs, different listings, but unfortunately we're in the process of rebuilding the website. It's going to look a lot the same, but there will be a few different changes, and of course Julia's going to be added to the website. So I wanted her to be in this video with us. In the future, if you have any questions or concerns or anything at all about Costa Rica, please feel free to email me at jaaechef@gmail.com or Julia at
juliaskavinsky@gmail.com, juliaskavinsky@gmail.com.
Terrific. And we're hoping to hear from you guys soon, and keep your eyes open for our new website. Unfortunately, it's not up running yet. The old one is still functioning. However, the blog site's not working properly, and we're working diligently on that. So hopefully by next month, everything is all ready to go, and you'll still be able to enjoy the great articles that we produce about Costa Rica and the information that we pass forward. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop us a line, send us an email, and come over to Playa Hermosa. As you can see, the beach is right behind us. We're having a wonderful day here at the beach, which we enjoy so much. Thanks a lot, and look forward to hearing from you, and you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.